assignment operators. So the name indicates these operators are used to assign values to variables. Let's see different types of operators, that is assignment operators. So first one is equals symbol, and this, as I said, you can say here it assigns a value to a variable. Here in this example, a is a variable, 10 is a value, and that value is been assigned to a. So meaning what? In the memory there will be address for a variable. During that at that particular address the value 10 will be stored. Next we have, so here next we have plus equals. So plus equals is another assignment operator. This adds and assigns. What does it mean? You can see here right hand side in the example, a plus equal to 5. So its meaning is a plus 5 is added, and that added result will be updated, that is assigned to again a. What does it means? For example, a equal to 10 means, what is the result here? First a plus 5, that is a 10 plus 5 is added. 10 plus 5 is 15. Now a becomes 15 here. So similarly, subtracts assign operator. So here minus equals. So here a minus equal to 3. So this is equivalent to having a equal to a minus 3. Means both statements are same. A minus equal to 3 and also a equal to a minus 3, both are same. So now for example, a equal to 10 here example, right hand take the right hand side. First right hand side should be executed. So 10 minus 3 is 7. So 7 I am updating into the same variable a. So earlier it was, before to this instruction, earlier it was a was 10. Now I am making this to 10 minus 3 is 7. Next is multiply assigns. So this is operator star equal. Star equal is multiply and assigns. So first to multiply this operator with the 2 here in this example and assign the result to the variable a. So this is equivalent to having like this, a equal to a star 2 is an equivalent representation for a star equal to 2. So what does it mean? If a equal to 10, so 10 into 2 is 20, 20 is an updated to a. Similarly, divides and assigns, that is a division operator, modulus general division forward slash operator and equals, together they have to be used. So here example you can see a divided by equal to 2, this is equivalent to representing another form, that is a equal to a by 2. So here if a equal to 10, a by 2 is 5. So 10 by 2 is 5. 5 is stored in the variable a. So we have next percentile equals. So percentile equal is what? Similar here. First to perform the modulus operation, then assign the result to the variable. So a percentile 3 is here, for example, a equal to 10, 10 percentile 3 is a 9. So remainder is 1. Now 1 is stored in the variable a. So these are the assignment operators. Let's see a program here. So as usual, your program should start with the main and end with the curly braces here. And let's see, I am declaring a variable called a. So it's basically not declaring, it's initialization. So I'm initializing the a variable with value 10. So let's see, I'm printing the statement called assignment operators. So here slash n indicates a new line, as I already explained many times. So here assignment operators are enclosed within double quote. That will be printed as it is on the command prompt. So now let me print value a. So assignment operator, what I am doing here, I am assigning the value, I am just printing here a equal to something. So here in place of a, this is a string, as I mentioned already. So this string entirely having, it will be printed as it is in the command prompt. So point here is a equal to will be printed as it is, but whenever there are a format specifiers or escape sequences. So what is the format specifier? Percentile D is a format specifier and slash n is the escape sequence. So they have a special meaning. So what is the special meaning? Percentile D indicates this place is going to be occupied by a value which is of integer type variable. So that means what? What is the value in the A? So this is the A. Now what is the value in the A? 10. 10 will be printed here. and this slash n causes cursor to wait. This slash n causes cursor to wait in the new line. So next we have a plus equal to 5. So a plus equal to 5, as I already mentioned, this is equivalent to having a equal to a plus 5. This order is very important. Now remember. So what is the earlier statement? A is having 10 value. Now I am doing 10 plus 5. That is nothing but 15, and that 15 I am storing in A. That means what? The latest value in the A is what? 15. So next we have, I'm just trying to print the same expression, a plus equal to this. Till now it will be printed as this, and here in this place we'll have 15 printed, and slash n causes here a plus equal to 5 equal to 15 will be printed like this, right? So next we have a minus equal to 3. So by this statement, what was the value of a? By end of this statement, it was a was having value 15 because of a plus equal to. Now here what I am doing in the next statement, so a minus equal 3. This implies what? This statement meaning is what? A equal to a minus 3. So this is equivalent statement. These two are same statements. So a equal to a minus 3 means what? A is having what value? Right hand side you have to always evaluate. A is having 15. 15 minus 3 is 12. Now 12 will be stored in the A. Now at present, at the end of this statement, A is having 12. So next we have, I am printing that same thing, same expression. A minus equal to this will be printed as is again, and in this place 12 will be printed. This slash n causes cursors to wait in the new line. So here A star equal to 2. So what is a star here? Multiplication operator. What is the equivalent expression for this? A star equal to 2 is A equal to A star 2. So what was the earlier value? It is 12. So 12 into 2 is what? 12 into 2 is 24. So 24 will be now at present at this particular statement, end of this execution of this particular statement. Similarly, I am printing the same expression here, similar to the above. So here a division divided by 4, again same. This is also meaning same. A divided by equal to 4 is equivalent to having a equal to a divided by 4. So what is the a value at the end of this statement? Now before to this statement is 24. So 24 by 4 is what it is? 24 by 4 is what? It is 6. Okay. Now a is storing now at the end of this statement 6. Let me see other operation. Now here I am printing the expression. Now a percentile 5. So a percentile 5 is what? You can see here, you have to be careful about this. So after semicolon, I am starting the new statement immediately. This is allowed. Okay. This is equivalent to having in the new line. So due to space constraint, I am writing two statements in the one line itself. Now let's see a percentile 5 equal to what will be equivalent expression. This is nothing but a equal to a percentile 5. So what was the value in a? It is 6. 6 percentile 5 is what? 6 percentile 5 is 1. So now 1 is means what? Remainder. 5 1 5, remainder is 1. Now a is storing value 1. So at the end of this expression, a will be having value 1. That's why 1 will be printed here. Let's see a demo how this works. You can see here. So I'm just executing the statement. So if a is assigned value 10, I'm printing this, and a equal to, I'm just printing the value here. You can see bottom a equal to 10 is printed, right? And a plus equal to, that is nothing but a equal to a plus 1, that I already mentioned. So now when I try to print for 10, I am adding 5, it is equivalent to having 15, you can see here. So now next statement to be executed, a minus equal to 5, a minus equal to 3, and this causes 15 minus 3, that is nothing but I am going to print here in this next statement. So 15 minus 3 is, it is 12. So 12 is printed here, you can see down. Next, a star equal to 2 means whatever the previous value, that is a was, well here you can see, so 12 into 2 is 24 will be next answer. Let me go through next statement. So you can see here 24, 12 into 2 is 24 is printed. So here divided by 4. Divided by 4 means what? A divided by 4 equal to A divided by 4. That's the equivalent representation. So now 24 by 4 is, it is now, I'm going to print that expression. So it is 6. Now 6 is printed here. Now let me go through next text statement. A% L5, that is being executed. Now next statement to be printed is this printing statement. Now you can see here 6% L5 is 1. 4.3 question. So a mobile recharge shop needs to update customers' balance based on the transactions. These are the transactions. So initial balance is 500, and then customer recharges 200. Then customer uses 150 rupees for calls and data, and customer gets a bonus of 50 rupees from the promotional offer, and write a program using the assignment operators to calculate and display the final balance. This you think on this. So I'll provide a solution later on.